Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable the guest user account on your Mac. It's super easy. First things first, head over to the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, select System Settings. Okay, now that you're inside System Settings, scroll down the left-hand side menu until you find Users and Groups, and click on it. Here we are. Now to enable the guest account. Just underneath your main admin account, you should see Guest User. By default, it's turned off. To turn it on, click the little eye information icon next to Guest User. A pop-up menu will appear, and you'll see Allow guests to log into this computer. Toggle that switch to the on position. Now it will ask for your admin account password, the one you use to sign into your Mac. Enter it and click Unlock. Great. As you can see, the guest user option is now toggled on. While we're here, you can also customize a few more settings. Limit adult websites is enabled by default, which is a good thing. You can also choose to allow guest users to connect to shared folders, which means they can access folders shared between different users on your Mac. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK. And that's it, the guest user has been enabled. Go ahead and close the settings application. So how do you actually use the guest user? Simple. Click on the Apple logo again in the top left-hand corner and select Log Out of your current account. You'll be taken to the login screen. Just click on the guest user option, and you can start using the Mac as a guest. It's that easy. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.